Do you want to get glowing skin naturally? In this bustling world, there's a growing desire to embrace natural methods for skincare, and nothing says natural like aloe vera. This green gem is more than just a plant, it's a skin's best friend. Aloe vera gel is renowned for its soothing, moisturizing, and anti-inflammatory attributes, making it a perfect candidate for achieving that coveted glow. So, if you're ready to take the natural route to radiant skin, stay tuned to learn a simple step-by-step process of using aloe vera gel for your skin. First, let's discuss how to prepare the aloe vera gel for application. To extract the gel, you'll need a fresh aloe vera leaf. Slice it down the middle with a sharp knife and scoop out the clear, jelly-like substance inside. This is the aloe vera gel, packed with nutrients that can help your skin glow. It's important to use fresh aloe vera gel for maximum benefits. The fresher the gel, the more potent the nutrients. If you can't find an aloe vera plant, look for pure aloe vera gel at your local health store. But remember, nothing beats the freshly extracted gel. Once you have your gel, it's time to store it properly. Keep it in an airtight container in the refrigerator. This will keep the gel fresh for up to a week. Make sure to discard any gel that changes color or develops a foul smell. Now that you have your fresh aloe vera gel ready, let's move on to how to apply it. Now, it's time to learn how to apply the aloe vera gel to your skin. Begin by ensuring your skin is clean and dry. This is important to allow the aloe vera gel to fully penetrate your skin and work its magic. Apply a generous layer of the gel, using your fingers to gently massage it into your face. Don't forget to cover those often overlooked areas like your neck and décolletage. Once applied, let the gel sink in and do its job. Aloe vera is a potent plant packed with skin-loving nutrients, so it's worth giving it some time to work. We recommend leaving it on for about 20 minutes. When it's time to rinse off the gel, use warm water and pat your skin dry gently. Don't rub or scrub. The goal here is to treat your skin kindly, nurturing it with the soothing properties of aloe vera. Remember to apply the aloe vera gel consistently for the best results. Let the glow begin. Let's quickly recap the key points we covered today. Aloe vera gel, nature's wonder ingredient, is a powerhouse for achieving glowing skin. Preparing it is simple. Extract the gel from the leaf, blend it well, and voila, your gel is ready. Apply it directly to your skin, let it work its magic, and rinse off. We encourage you to try this natural solution for a radiant complexion. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural beauty tips. Until next time, stay beautiful naturally.